Hello everyone, this is my first YouTube video in which I'm going to show you the websites and how to use the websites for different types of codings. So first for Python. So what you have to do, you have to, right now I'm using Microsoft Edge, but you can also use Microsoft Chrome. Like here I have Chrome. Then search in this Python. Just search Python and or you can also search python.org. So you can directly get the website. So can you see this welcome to python.org? Click that. So here you come to the Python website. So here you are going to go to the downloads. Click on it. Now the latest version is 3.8.5. That is the latest version for Windows. If you want to do it with Linux or Unix or Mac or other, you can click over here and you can get that. But right now I have a Mac Windows. I have the Windows version, so I'll click on download Python 3.8.5. You can keep it wherever you want. Save. Wait till it downloads. Click on open file. Now you get this upgrade now or customize installation. So you don't have to do actually anything. Yeah, you can click on customize installation because that is very important. Don't do anything and just click next. Install, and it's getting installed. Just wait. It will take a bit time. It is a 32-bit. We'll have to wait. Till then, let me show you my other YouTube channel in which I sing beautiful songs. So, here I have this. It is known as Unicorn. Let me show you. It is known as Singing Unicorn Sings, as this channel is known as Unicorn Codes. So here I've kept the videos. My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion and How Far I'll Go by Oli Karlovo. You can please search it. You can search it and you can see. Please give your like, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll also give a giveaway at the end of this month, which today is September. So I'm going to give it at 31st September. The CDs of my songs. Please don't forget. Till then, let's check to our installation. First of all, let me close this. Yeah. So setup was successful. Now click close. Now in desktop you will get this, but you don't have to click that. So go to all apps, or you can simply search IDLE, Python IDLE. Click that. Wait for some time. And can you see this? Yes. So file. Now you never do it on the main file which comes. Never do it on the Python shell. So click on file, go on new file. Just discard the old one and start with this. So here, let me just write a code and show you how to run it. So integer input, hello, or or I don't want a, or yeah, I want so first we'll have to click print. Yeah, so print to integer. So I made this my own print integer input hello, or I'll just click on uh, I can write anything, right? So I'll just write print input hello. Now how to run this? So first, before running this, you have to save this file. So click on file, click on save as, and write hi, and put it on your laptop or desktop, wherever you want to. Save, and now this is called hi. Then I'll click on run. Then I'll click run model, or you can also click on function 5 button on your laptop or desktop. So it got hello, and now I can write hi. So it showed hi now. So it's like that. Now I want to show you on for the website for Arduino, or the website for Arduino and circuits. So this website is called Tinkercad. So I'm on Microsoft Edge, but you can also find it on Chrome. Tinkercad. Okay, click on it. Go over here. Actually, I might have logged in, yeah, as you can see. So I will just log out, and I'll show you how to make an account. So if you are new to Tinkercad and if you don't have an account, click on join now. Now start tinkering. You will find this website, means this page. Now create a personal account. Click on that and sign in with Google or sign up with email. You can do any one of these. Sign in with Apple is a bit complex, so I would not prefer doing that. Sign in with Google is the easiest. Now I already have an account, so already have an account, sign in. I click that. 1 second. Let me go back to the main page. So if you already have an account, you can click on sign in with Google, and then you can click on any email you want to sign in with. It will take a bit time loading, and now you can see the page. Here is the name of the email or the name which you can customize. 3D designs, circuits, code blocks, and lessons. We have all 4 of these buttons, and also the projects. We can create new projects and they have their own marketing strategy. So first of all, let me customize my name, because that is actually not my name actually. My name is Nandika Gurani. Yeah. So I'm not gonna put more information. I'll just go to the main dashboard. It's okay because I didn't save my name actually, so it doesn't show. So I'm gonna click create a new circuit by going to the circuits. The recent projects you did will be showed when you click circuits. So here, can you see this? Yes. So if you want to drag and put something like a breadboard, click it and drag it. Put it wherever you want, and like if I want it over here on this corner, now press, it will stay there. You can also name your breadboard, like I'll name my breadboard as breadboard. Now what happened, I want to this, they always bring a new name, but I don't want this name, so let me write unicorn. Oh, why am I putting that? Unicorn codes. Yeah. So I have this breadboard. You can do the same with the Arduino chip, but right now I don't want it. So if you don't want any thing, so right now it's showing like nothing is selected. When something is selected, its name comes, and you can then name which we have customized also comes. But if I don't want it, means I am on blank, and if this comes, means you have selected it. Now you can click the delete or backspace button on your keyboard and click OK, and whoosh, it disappeared. So that is how we do it. Now let me show you like how to. So if you don't have a real set, then how to do it virtually. So here we have a start simulation. So let me just show you. Let me just make one. Yes. You can also change the color of the LED. I want orange. Yeah. Now, if you by mistakenly made any this cable and you don't want it, select it, means the wire comes and these both circle comes. Click delete. It's vanished. So I got that. Now resistor, you can change the resistance. Right now with me, you can't see me, but I have a 330 ohm resistor. And now how to get a wire. So as you can see, when I select any wire, it shows 5 other green dots beside that. Means these all things are connected together. So I am gonna connect it to the positive wire. You can also change the color, like if it's in the positive wire, I'm gonna do it red. Okay, so now right now I don't want to power it with the Arduino chip. I want to power it with a battery. So there are so many things. So go to all components. You can see all the components, whichever component you want, and all the components are over here. If you can't find it by scrolling, you can just search it. Like right now I want a battery. So in all, 9-volt battery comes, 1.5-volt battery comes, a coin cell battery which is of 3 volt, a potato battery, and a lemon battery. Potato and lemon are mostly found in the science projects, but they also show it if we have the real things and if we want to do it. So here I want a 9-volt battery. I clicked it like this. So this is on the other side. I want to rotate it. So you can click R on the keyboard, or you can, if it is selected, a 9-volt battery. So you can also click on this button. I want this to be like this. So this is positive wire. It will go over here. Now if you want this to be extremely neat, yeah. So what can you do right now? This is a bit, I know this one is a bit but let me show you how I can do the negative wire. I made a straight line. Now you can press the key, it means on the mouse wherever you want, and it gets curved. And if you want straight, this light blue line will come, means it's showing your see, even the straight it is straight. See, now it is on the bit side, so you can change it, and we can also change the color. Oh, why did I make that red? I made it black because it's the negative, and this one I'll make it red as it is the positive. So now our circuit is ready. We'll click on start simulation. See, this glowed. Stop simulation. It closed. On, off, on, off. Yeah. So now if I want to do some coding, so we'll find an Arduino chip. We have an Arduino chip now. So drag it and see. So when we start a simulation, keep your eyes on the Arduino chip. Start simulation. This USB just went inside. Means, and you can see this on button. That also gets on. Now I'll stop the simulation and it gets out. So I want to power this on the any pin I want. Yeah. Wait a sec. I'm gonna install this over here. No, why am I doing it over there? That's the negative. All the pins always, most of the pins always go to the positives. Now you can change the way, the length and everything. And you can also change the color, means red. And now I'm gonna just connect this wire. Oh, that's a bit short. Let me make it a bit. Yes. I'm gonna change that to black. So now we got it. Now you want a code. You have blocks, but blocks doesn't have like pick random. This only does pick random. But the most convenient is blocks and text, in which you can do this void setup and everything, and also the like high, low, and everything. But right now let's go with text. Okay, continue. So when you click on text, this already comes from the start. So I avoid setup pin mode 13 output, avoid loop, digital write 13 high, wait for means this is the comment, delay 1000. In electronics we have milliseconds, so 1000 milliseconds equals to 1 second. So that means 1000, like delay for 1 second means wait for 1 second in that position. So high means on, low means off. So on, off, and most of the things like the communication, serial communication, and the other things, you can do it in the word loop. But the input, like the input or output pin, the number of the pin, or if it is in the ground, or if it is in the volt, or if it is in the analog in, you can write it over here. So right now mine is in pin mode 13 output actually. So I'm going to keep this as it is. The most important thing in the syntax of this is never forget to do this semicolon after when you complete the sentence. Okay. I completed the void setup because it was already there. Now digital write 13 high means pin mode is 13. So 13 high. Delay means I'm just gonna remove this comment because we already know 1000 means 1 second. But I don't want this to delay for 1 second. I want this to delay for 5 seconds. So let's make it 5000 delay. And now the most important thing, start simulation. If you want to see how it happens, just click the code, and you can click this inside also, so you have the whole screen to yourself. Now start simulation, wait for some time, initializing. See, 1 2 3 4 5. Actually, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. I'm very bad at counting. Yeah. So that is how it happens. So now we knew about Python. We knew about we knew about Python. We knew about the Arduino and circuits website. But now, what about the HTML code? Where do we do the HTML code? Okay. So you have the normal notepad. Yeah, this is the notepad. So now I'm just gonna open a HTML which I made before. Actually, right now in the pandemic, I was just doing coding, and nothing else. So I'll go to coding tasks. Wait a second. Oh no. I'll have to select all files. I'll go to coding. So here these Microsoft Edge ones, they are the ones. So this is the one which I just made, which had all the components in which I learned like till now. So this is the code for HTML. So now HTML is done. So now, so we have already made this thing. So to run this, we don't have any run option. So what do we have to do? We after we save it, like whatever code we write, we have to save as and put it somewhere on our desktop. I put this on the over here. So click this double time. Keep using this app. They'll ask on which app do you want to open. So I want to open on Microsoft Edge. Okay, and see, it came. Can you see? So this is how you do the HTML. Now you must be asking, from where do I get the Java? So the main thing you have to do is Google, search Java, and as software I'll just write, which will become easy to find it. So go to www.java.com. It will just come if you write Java software. Download free Java. And now click on Java download. Don't worry, this is not a scam. This is your main the government which has given. So this is click on Java download. They tell that the Edge browser does not support to run Java. So a green free start download actually I'll do. And Java setup, I want to do it on the desktop. I'll just change the name. Because these random numbers, they don't even make any sense. Now you can open it. And yes, make changes. Don't worry, this is not a scam. But let me just delete this comment. Yeah. Done. Yes, install. Yes. So can you find this Java setup? Yes. So it's downloaded. Oh, where was I? Sorry. Okay. Let this download. Java is one of the most important coding language, after the HTML, and like not after means this is the most important, the most useful programming language ever. Wow, I've successfully installed. Now go to here. And you can search J. Where is J? Yeah, click on Java and about the Java, configure Java. So you have to not click visit Java. You have to click this configure Java. And click on OK. And then now you can wait a sec. I will have to download it again. And here you can search for Java. So here you are going to, when you search Java, you have to click on Java Setup EXE. Click on that. Yes. Okay. So in that you can open and do your JavaScripts. So that is all for my video. Stay tuned for my next videos. Bye bye.